Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the latest tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you're new here, consider subscribing to stay updated with all our content. Today, we're tackling a question many of you have asked. How do you export a chat from WhatsApp? Whether you're looking to save those precious memories or you need a physical copy for any reason, I've got you covered. Let's get into it. WhatsApp, being one of the most popular messaging apps worldwide, offers a handy feature to export chats. This can be incredibly useful for a variety of reasons. So, without further ado, let's start. First things first, grab your phone and open WhatsApp. For this tutorial, I'll demonstrate the process on Android. Firstly, tap on three dots in the top right corner, then select on Settings. After doing so, click on Chats. Scroll down a little bit and you will find Chat History. Tap on Chat History. Now tap on Export Chat. Select any of your friends' chat which you want to export. You can export chat, include media or without media. Select any of these method. Here you can see various options where we can send it to, like Viber, Mail, Discord, and many more. So here I am selecting email. You can see here that the chat history is attached in the email. Now here you have to enter a recipient email address whom you want to send this chat. After entering the email address, if you tap on send button, the exported chat will be sent to the recipient. And there you have it. That's how you export a chat from WhatsApp. Now keep in mind, if you're exporting a very long chat, especially with media, it might take a bit of time, so be patient. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.